Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking. Please call us or click the link below. We look forward to being of service to you.